Hi, I'm Laura from Bellissima Weddings, and following on from our talk about high necklines, we're going to go now to plunge necklines. If you've got a V-neck, it's going to put your chest more on show, which is great, and there's nothing wrong with that. You do though have to just consider how you would normally wear fashion before you come bridal shopping to know the type of neckline that you are going to suit. Now, a stylist in any good bridal shop will look at you and automatically in her own head she's thinking, oh, I think I would put her in this neckline, or I'd put her in this particular shape. But if you do have a particular preference at the point of choosing dresses, that's the time to say, I'm a little uncomfortable in something very low, or I prefer a thicker strap over a thinner strap, if indeed you know that at the time. It's always best to get that information out straight away to your stylist, because then she's going with you rather than fighting against you, and she doesn't even know she's fighting against you. So the dresses that I've got here all have this sort of V neckline, as you can see, but they're all pretty different in the way that they're constructed and the way that they're going to sit on your body. So this one, with this lovely plunging neckline, it's got a nice cup in there, so you do get a little bit of support and coverage, but it's got a little spaghetti strap. It's not got an overly low back, so it's great for a little bit of extra support, but I'm going to say it again, it's got a spaghetti strap. Now, spaghetti is thin. Straps that are called spaghetti straps are thin. You're not going to get a lot of pull and support from a very slender strap. There's only so much a little strap like that can take before it actually gives. So if you are looking for a lot of support, don't necessarily think that this is going to give you that support. It will on lots of levels, but if you think that you might want to wear a bra or have a little bit more of support underneath that dress, then you do need to consider having something slightly thicker. Now, this one's still nice and sheer, so it doesn't look overly heavy, but you would be able to wear a bra with like a transparent strap or even a nude strap under a dress like this, and that would give you a little bit of extra support. Also, it's not too plunging at the front, but you've still got this sheer bit, so you've still got a nice sort of light look to the dress. You've got a slightly higher back there, so again, that would take a bra. And this would be a great dress for someone who has got a slightly fuller bust, but doesn't want to over accentuate it. We have this dress here. This is beautiful, but look, can you see it's sheer all the way down? Now, ideally, you don't want anything to be seen underneath that little sheer panel. So this is probably a dress to go for if you are happy not wearing a bra. Your seamstress, of course, could fill this in so that you can't see the bra, but that sort of negates the whole point of the dress. At that point, you might be better just looking for something that actually doesn't have the sheer piece at the front. And with a nice sheer back all the way down here, this is definitely more for somebody that's got a little bit more confidence and maybe is a little less worried about support and how they actually feel in the dress, and a little bit more about the actual look of the dress. It's a beautiful dress, but with the sheer all the way up here, a little bit hard to put any underpinnings under that, so you've got to go with whatever the dress offers you. And then this dress here I've pulled out. Again, you've got this little V, but I don't know if you can see, there's a little sheer panel there, which just pulls that bust across and gives you a little bit of support. If I turn the dress around, you can see it's got quite a nice high back. Although it's got the V, it gives the idea of a low back, but you've still got enough coverage there for a bra if you needed one. And if you didn't, you've got enough of a pull across on that dress for you to be able to wear it without. There are lots of dresses, there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different variations on a V-neck dress. There will be one for you. You just need to try on maybe more than one or two. If you're struggling, keep going. You will find your neckline. It doesn't always happen straight away. And as you can see again, they're all the same size, these dresses, but the V's are all fall in different places, and that's going to happen on your body. So it's just about finding the right dress for your body shape, and off you go. You're cooking with gas. Now there's one more thing I want to say about the greatness of a V-neck. Can you see this dress has got this little angel sleeve? And can you see that actually it just has a normal V-neck here, and this piece of fabric has been added on as a little angel sleeve. So if you're that type of girl that really wants, as even actually my top's a similar thing, if you want to have a little informal sleeve on your dress and you don't want to go down the route of a fitted sleeve and you're struggling to find a dress that has sleeves that you really like, then this neckline gives you the opportunity for a seamstress to be able to attach a little sleeve like this to any of these, not the spaghetti strap one, that's a harder thing to do, but this really is quite an easy little fix for a seamstress to do. So if you're thinking that you like this type of look, or you want to cover your tops of your arms up, you don't know where to start and you're looking in the bridal shops and you can't see anything with the sleeves that you like, then going for a neckline like this with a strap that's got that nice thickness there, you can attach an angel sleeve and you're done. You could even have them detachable, so they're on little poppers. You could have them on for the day and the ceremony and then rip them off when you start dancing and throwing some shapes in the evening. That'd be totally up to you, but these are very flexible as to what you can do with them, and therefore I think they are one of my most favourite necklines. You and I, heads up in the